Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sense in Essence. Today, we will be talking about how to multitask. Multitasking is something that we all want to achieve because we all have just 24 hours in a day and so many things to do, as if the list of things to do is endless for us. But today, our mind is in such a state that even if we want to multitask and there is a need to multitask, we are not able to really do it. The moment we start to thinking about multitasking, our mind starts to get confused and we are not able to focus on one task at a time in order to multitask, right? So, for this multitasking, very important aspect is concentration. And we learned in the earlier video, in Sense in Essence, how we can develop concentration. So, what happens is that in our mind, there are many, many, many thoughts, right? And suppose there is a thought for each task that we want to do. Now, in multitasking, we will be able to complete one task quickly when we have full concentration on that particular task and then quickly switch over to the other one as well, right? So there is sort of clarity between the two or three or four tasks that we are doing at the same time. So, concentration is a very important aspect of multitasking. And once we have that kind of concentration, and it can be a minute or 2 minute or 3 minutes that we are able to really concentrate, focus on something that makes us stable and calm and really as if just be in that one thought, then we see that there is a whole lot of clarity that comes in, as if the clutter from the mind is taken away and we are able to do many things at one space. It frees up the space in the mind, and mind is capable of doing many many things at the same time. The mind is very powerful, but we just have to take care that this confusion and concentration confusion is removed and concentration is at its best. So what practice can we do um, in order to really get there, right? In order to multitask, and also like we said, that how to concentrate. And we can do this, of course meditation helps a lot, but meditation also just does not mean that we sit for long hours. That has its own benefits and we can get there, but here we are focusing on concentrating on a spiritual thought, an elevated thought, for just a minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes with 100% quality, where there is no distraction from any other thoughts from the physical drama. So let us experiment with that just for 1 minute right now. So we just choose a relaxed position and we keep a very simple aim, the aim being to see that tiny being of light in its true home, and just seeing the light of the home, golden red light, very soothing and calming light that feels extremely comfortable. It gives a feeling of belonging to this point of light. Thank you. We can practice this again and again through the day and see how your mind becomes more concentrated and we are able to perform tasks with efficiency and quicker, faster.